Creating a mini cannon can be an intriguing and engaging project, but it is imperative to approach it with caution and a strong sense of responsibility. Building a mini cannon can be fun, but it's essential to keep in mind that these devices can be hazardous if not handled properly. Ensuring safety and adhering to local laws and regulations concerning such devices are crucial aspects to bear in mind throughout the process. To start, consider a basic design for your mini cannon, contemplating the ideal dimensions, barrel length, and overall shape. This creative step allows you to personalize your project and imagine the end product. When it comes to the materials, select a suitable metal pipe, such as brass or steel, for the barrel, ensuring that it is of high quality and appropriate for the job. You may also need metal fittings, such as those to serve as the base and breech, which is the part where the projectile is loaded. For the handle, a sturdy metal rod or dowel would work well. Now, it's time to get hands-on with the construction. Carefully cut the metal pipe to your desired barrel length using a hacksaw or a metal cutting tool. Afterward, take care of the edges by filing them down to remove any rough burrs. When attaching the metal fittings to the barrel, do so with precision and accuracy, ensuring they are firmly secured to maintain structural integrity. The breech, the section of the cannon where you will load the ammunition, is an essential component. It is advisable to drill a small hole near the top of the barrel, making sure it is just large enough to insert the projectile. Proper alignment and positioning are vital to the cannon's performance. Assembling the handle is a crucial step for both aesthetics and functionality. Drilling a hole in the center of the metal rod or dowel to attach the handle near the base allows for ease of use and enhances the overall appearance of the mini cannon. Safety is paramount, especially when dealing with ignition systems. Consider the best method for igniting the propellant, such as a fuse or firecracker. But remember to exercise extreme caution and follow safety guidelines at all times. Always be mindful of the potential risks associated with the ignition process. Once your mini cannon is assembled, it's time for testing. Load a small projectile, such as a tiny metal ball or a cotton wad, into the breech. Ignite the propellant using the selected ignition method with great care and attention to safety. Ensure that the cannon is pointed away from people, animals, or anything that could be damaged by the projectile. In conclusion, building a mini cannon can be an exciting project that allows for creativity and hands-on learning. However, safety should always be the top priority. Understanding the potential hazards and adhering to safety guidelines and local laws will ensure a responsible and enjoyable experience with your mini cannon project.